Alright YouTube, I'm back with another vacuum cleaner. This time it's a Hoover Elite Rewinde. At least that's what I think it is. But anyway, got this vacuum at the vacuum shop, along with another vacuum and a carpet cleaner. There's the carpet cleaner over there, it's a Hoover. But this video is all about this one. The problem with it was the power switch. As we can see, it's loose. Well, sort of see there. So it would not turn on. Well, it did turn on, but then it wouldn't turn off. That one, the power switch is stuck in the on position. But I didn't have another power switch for it, so I nigger rigged it for at least until I can find another one, just to get it to run without having to go through hell into direct wiring it and have to come over here and unplug it to turn it off and plug it in to turn it on. I put a sanitaire power switch on it. Works fine for now. It's got a built-in cord reel. So we're gonna give this thing a run. Also, there's stuff on the floor that came out of it. We'll get it plugged in here, which I need 2 hands to do, and we'll be back. Okay, I got the Hoover all plugged in. Let's give it a test drive here. Ugh. I'd say that works pretty good. This one, another thing wrong with it, this wheel here is missing the little tire like this one has. Also, it's a little loose like my Hoover Commercial dual purpose. Also, it's cracking a little bit. So, it's not really, it ain't bad, but it also ain't good. But it did a pretty good job picking up the crap that came out of it. So I'd say it's a keeper. But actually, I'm gonna sell this. Well, let me go ahead and give you all the floor level view of this vacuum. I don't know how good that's gonna show, but it seems to be gonna show pretty good. It also has real good hose suction. Alright, it's a pretty good vacuum. Also, it's a Hoover, and Hoover is still pretty good. And it does have pretty stiff bristles too. So, yeah. It agitates really good. And as we all could see, didn't take long for it to clean up the mess it made. So, yeah, it's a keeper. You press this thing to turn off the brush roll, and of course, that's how you retract the cord. It's a pretty strong cord rewinder too. So, tell me how you liked it, and tell me what you guys would like to see, and I will see what I can do to answer your request, and how I can answer your request. So, until next time, see you later.